Strawberry muffins is what we're making. It's strawberry season. Well, actually, I don't know. I just see a lot of strawberries at the farmer's market and I assume it's strawberry season. So if you have extra strawberries, this might be the recipe for you. Well, wait till I make it and then let's see. Chop them up into pieces. Technically, they're bakery style strawberry muffins, so cream together 1 stick of softened butter and then 3/4 cup of sugar. Last time I used a whisk to cream together, everyone told me to use a wooden spoon, so let's see if it's easier. Yeah, I'd say so. Mix in 2 eggs. No! The yolk is actually still okay. And then I'm gonna use this egg white that I saved from yesterday. We're supposed to mix them in one at a time, but I kind of forgot in the chaos. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Combine the dry ingredients separately, blah, blah, blah. We're adding it right in. 2 cups flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Stir all of this together and add 1/2 cup of milk. Stir until just combined. Do not overmix. For the milk, if you know, you know. Add most of your strawberries. I'm gonna leave some to put on top. Carefully fold them in. Grease your muffin tin. What the heck? It's a spray. Fill them up 3/4 of the way. It makes 18 muffins, so we have to do 2 batches. There's also a streusel on top, so we need 1/3 cup of brown sugar, about 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 cup of flour, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Right on top. Bake 375 for about 17 minutes. It tastes like it's from a bakery.